How to add MIDI channel in Soundation. First of all, open your Soundation project and make sure you are in the studio view where you can see your tracks and the control panel. Look at the left side of your screen where your tracks are listed. You will see a plus button with add channel, click on it. Then choose the instrument channel. This is what Soundation uses for MIDI tracks. Once you click it, a new instrument channel will appear in your track list. After that, you will see a small keyboard icon and a drop down where you can select your instrument. Click the drop down and choose any virtual instrument you want to use, like the simple synth or ZM2. This is the sound that will be triggered by our MIDI notes. Now, double-click on the channel's empty space in the timeline to create a MIDI clip. Then double-click on that clip to open the note editor where you can start drawing in your MIDI notes. You can also use a MIDI keyboard if you have one connected. Finally, press the spacebar to play and test your notes. Adjust the instrument settings, volume and effects as needed to get the sounds just right. And that's it. Now you know how to add a MIDI channel in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.